Hi, my name is Kamlesh and I am a proud scaling batch member. So initially I met Saurav on the Instagram and I enrolled for his course because I knew that this is something that I need help for sure for my career. On the next day I enrolled for the scaling batch without any second thought. So the reason behind that was there was a lot of value that I could have thought that it would be there in the scaling batch, but when I enrolled I got really more than that. Today, I am a success achiever of the scaling batch. I have gone above 110% of hike in my salary. So previously, in my previous organization, I had a lot of issues under work pressure and whatnot. Like there are n number of problems that I had. I was able to overcome all those with the help of Saurav's course because you see, you have it in you, but if you are not enough confident, then you will be shy of achieving that result. But down the line, when I went through all his course and all his tips, and I've applied in my skills, which is a non-technical skill. Basically, I'm into functional consultant kind of a role, wherein we do a client servicing kind of roles, which is a support role. So I was in the thought before joining the Saurav's course that I would not be able to achieve more than 20-30% of hike, which I have used before and applied, and that got that much before enrolling for the course. But after the course, I see a lot of more changes in me because I am more confident. I was thinking that what will happen if my job goes down, because if you are doing some kind of thing and you feel that what if tomorrow they don't hire you. So all these are the barriers, the dirt that Saurav says are there in your mind. What you need to do is you need to come out of all this. You need to focus on your skills. You need to focus on your strategies and apply these principles step by step as he says. And then you will see the results for sure. That is 100% confirmed. If you are watching this interview, if you are watching this video, that means you have that something in your mind, the curiosity, or you want to do something in your career. So just do not waste any time and just go for it, because I see a lot more changes and the work that he has been doing is incredible. I see a connect that he has with his members, and he will not get up from his seat until and unless he is finished off with all the queries. That is what I have seen, and he has answered all the queries that has been raised to him. Down the line, what I would like to say is, like, forget everything. When you say that sky is the limit, I would say even sky is not the limit. You can go beyond that. That's it. Thank you. Have a great day.